Welcome to my honest review of my Money Manager, a personal finance tool designed to help you budget smarter and save more. In this video, I'll explore every key feature of the platform, starting with the simple registration process. Signing up is intuitive and only takes a few minutes, with options to link your bank account securely. The dashboard is clean and user-friendly, with easy-to-navigate tabs for tracking expenses, setting budget goals, and monitoring financial trends over time. One of the standout features of my Money Manager is its automatic categorization of expenses. The app analyzes your transactions and assigns them to relevant categories like groceries, dining out, or utilities. This feature is incredibly helpful for identifying where you might be overspending. You can also customize categories to suit your specific financial habits. Another strong point is the goal-setting tool. Whether you're saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, my Money Manager makes it easy to set realistic goals and track your progress. The visual graphs are particularly motivating, showing you exactly how close you are to reaching your targets. The app also includes a spending tracker that provides detailed insights into your financial behavior. You can view daily, weekly, or monthly spending patterns, helping you make informed adjustments to your budget. For those who want a deeper dive, the Analytics tab offers comprehensive reports with charts that break down your spending habits by category, merchant, or time frame. Security is another area where my Money Manager shines. The app uses bank-grade encryption to protect your data, and you can enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. There's also a helpful FAQ section and customer support team available for troubleshooting. In my experience, my Money Manager is a powerful yet easy-to-use tool for anyone looking to take control of their personal finances. It combines simplicity with robust functionality, making it suitable for both budgeting beginners and seasoned financial planners. Thank you for watching my review of my Money Manager. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more honest reviews and budgeting tips. See you in the next video.